Are you best spin bikes? Spin bikes are an increasingly popular choice for home fitness enthusiasts due to their compact design, versatility, and ability to deliver a high-intensity cardiovascular workout. With options ranging from budget-friendly models to premium offerings, consumers have a wide array of choices to suit their fit product. Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike Brake Pad Magnetic Stationary Bike. The Yosuda Indoor Cycling Bike is a mid-range option with a solid reputation, backed by over 20 years of experience in fitness equipment manufacturing. Featuring a 30-pound flywheel and a belt-driven system, it offers smooth and silent operation, making it ideal for home use. The bike is designed for stability, accommodating users up to 300 pounds, and includes adjustable handlebars and a padded seat to cater to a wide range of heights. The LCD monitor tracks essential metrics, while the tablet mount adds convenience for entertainment during workouts. Performance-wise, the Yosuda bike delivers a reliable and sturdy ride, suitable for both beginner product. MERACH Exercise Bike. The MERACH Exercise Bike stands out with its app compatibility, offering integration with MERACH, Phantom Fight, KinoMap, and Zwift for interactive and guided workouts. Its silent belt drive ensures smooth operation, while the dual triangle frame provides excellent stability, supporting up to 300 pounds. The LED monitor tracks real-time metrics, and the adjustable seat and handlebars accommodate users from 4'8" to 6'2". Comfort features like shock absorption and a double-slot water bottle holder enhance the overall user experience. This bike is ideal for tech-savvy users who value app connectivity and data tracking. The infinite resistance adjustment levels provide flexibility for product. Exercise Bike. The Wenker stationary bike is the premium offering in this lineup, boasting a robust aluminum steel frame and a heavy flywheel for enhanced stability and performance. Its multi-point handlebar grips cater to various cycling styles, while the inertia-enhanced flywheel ensures smooth and quiet pedaling. The upgraded digital display tracks essential metrics, and the unlimited tension adjustment levels provide unmatched versatility for all fitness levels. With a weight capacity of 350 pounds, this bike is built to last. Designed for advanced users and families, the Wenker bike excels in durability and customization. The multi-triangle structure ensures stability. Keiser Fitness Exercise Bike. The Keiser Fitness Exercise Bike offers a blend of comfort and functionality at a mid-range price point. Its ventilated saddle and shock-absorbing design ensure a comfortable ride, while the triangular steel frame provides durability and stability for users up to 300 pounds. The bike features a belt-driven system for quiet operation and a micro-adjustable tension system with 100 levels, catering to a wide range of fitness goals. Additional features like dual cup holders and a wide tablet mount enhance usability. This bike is well-suited for families due to its adjustable seat and handlebar, accommodating riders from 4'8" to 6'5". The LCD product knife Sparex Exercise Bike. The Sparex Exercise Bike is the budget option in this comparison, offering essential features at an affordable price. It includes adjustable handlebars and seat for a customized fit, a magnetic resistance system for smooth operation, and an LED display to track key metrics. Despite its lower price, the bike supports up to 300 pounds and features a belt-driven system for quiet workouts. Ideal for beginners or those on a tight budget, the Sparex bike provides a decent workout experience without breaking the bank. However, its limited features and basic build quality may not satisfy advanced users or those seeking long-term durability. The absence of app connectivity and fewer comfort features are notable.